Welcome to the world of zodiac signs. In this video, we'll uncover the personality traits of each sun sign and how they shape your natural behavior. Whether you're a fiery Aries or a dreamy Pisces, there's something unique about every sign. Let's begin. Aries is the fearless leader of the zodiac. Born with boundless energy and a strong desire to take charge, Aries individuals are confident, competitive, and always ready to dive into new adventures. Their fiery spirit makes them passionate and bold, but sometimes a bit impulsive too. Taurus is grounded, calm, and deeply connected to the physical world. They love comfort, beauty, and routine. Known for their loyalty and patience, Taurus people take their time, but once they commit, they stick for life. Just don't rush them, they move at their own steady pace. Gemini is the life of the party and the master of words. These quick thinkers are curious about everything and love connecting with people. They are adaptable and fun, but their attention span can be short. With Gemini, there's always something new to talk about. Cancer is deeply intuitive and emotionally rich. They are natural caregivers, often putting others' needs before their own. Sensitive and home-loving, Cancer people seek security and connection. But if hurt, they may retreat into their shell and take time to trust again. Leo shines bright like the sun. Born to lead and inspire, they bring warmth, creativity, and a magnetic presence wherever they go. They love appreciation and tend to take center stage. But behind the boldness is a big heart that cares deeply. Virgo pays attention to the little things that others miss. With a sharp mind and love for order, they're often the go-to problem solvers. They value honesty, hard work, and being useful, but sometimes their inner critic can be a bit too loud. Libra is all about balance, beauty, and connection. They're charming and love to keep peace in their surroundings. Relationships mean a lot to them, and they often see both sides of a situation, though that can make decisions a bit tricky. Scorpio is deep, intense, and full of emotional depth. They're not afraid of the dark side of life and often rise stronger after setbacks. Fiercely loyal and private, they form deep bonds but never take their trust for granted. Sagittarius is the traveler, the philosopher, the freedom lover. They crave new experiences, knowledge, and adventure. Honest to a fault, they speak their mind, and their cheerful vibe can light up any room. Routine, not their thing. Capricorn is the builder of the zodiac. Practical and determined, they set long-term goals and quietly work toward them. They value tradition, stability, and achievement, and may come off as serious, but they have a dry sense of humor underneath. Aquarius marches to the beat of their own drum. They are forward thinkers, always interested in new ideas, technology, and change. They care about humanity, but often keep a cool emotional distance. Original and unpredictable, that's Aquarius for you. Pisces lives in a world of dreams, emotions, and imagination. Deeply sensitive and empathetic, they often absorb the feelings of those around them. With a strong creative side, they're the poets and healers of the zodiac, but they need to stay grounded in reality too.